Hey guys, Laugh Pop here, welcome back. I got my little sidekick buddy over here joining us. Once again, trying to give me a little good luck. Looks like all he wants to do is roll around. He might want a nice little back rub. Anyways, I just made a video like about 30 minutes ago opening up a mystery box from TuffCollectibles. And funniest part is right after I opened up that mystery box, I got another one in the mail from TuffCollectibles. And if I knew this was coming, I would have just held off on the last video and opened both of them in one video. But since I got it, I might as well make another video. Once again, this is TuffCollectibles, and if you guys watch and you know me, I order a lot from TuffCollectibles. I give them a lot of support because I feel like they have the best mystery boxes around. Because I usually always get something that I want to keep towards my collection, where other places not so much. So let's open this up together and see what I got. Buddy, you think I'm gonna get something good? Nah. Huh, buddy? Here we go. Buddy, come over here and give me some luck. Come on, buddy. Buddy. You don't want to come closer? Buddy, what is it, buddy? Is there anything good in here? What does it look like, buddy? Okay, you're not gonna talk to me. Let's go with this one. Okay, it's a King Dice from Cuphead. Limited edition, E3. Not bad. I don't know what Cuphead is about, but it is a cool looking pop. Okay, King Dice. It's a cool looking pop. I like it. Okay, guys, we got bubble wrap. Go. Is it? What is it? Okay. It's Lorraine from Atomic Blonde. It's a limited chase edition. That's cool. I don't got many chase pops, so this is cool. She does look badass too. She's holding a gun. Look like she's holding the little same gun that Agent J is holding. Look, maybe they can like be put side by side. Even though my Men in Black box is completely crushed and ugh. But this is a cute little pop. I like it. Okay. So guys, this is what we got. King Dice and Lorraine from Atomic Blonde. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Comment down below, tell me what you think. Like the video. If you haven't already, subscribe. And come join us when we're opening up another mystery box next time.